Students, myself Rashekar, PGT Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss the trigonometry, the 8th chapter trigonometry. Sir, what is meant by trigonometry? You already learned. It is a VGS chapter. The word try, the three words are there. One is try, second one is gono, third one is metric. We already well known. Try means three, gono means sides, metric means measure. A three-sided figure we can measure. A figure bounded by three sides we can measure. That is nothing but a triangle. Triangle and types of triangles we have to discuss. Trigonometry is nothing but it's a main branch of mathematics which deals about height, distances, and triangles. About the triangles. Okay. Now we have to discuss. The main trigonometry stands for only 6 ratios. Trigonometry mainly stands for only 6 ratios, dear students. Just you should remember easy 2 tricks. What are those? I have to write here. Write a right angle triangle. Name it as ABC. In a right angle triangle, we call as 3 sides. You should remember. What are the 3 sides? What is the name of 3 sides? AC is nothing but a hypotenuse. Just you should remember 3 sides. Naming. Okay. If an angle make here angle C, so this is called base. When we are standing here, we are looking. This is the opposite side. This is called opposite side. Opposite to angle C. Opposite to side angle C. This is opposite side at angle C. Similarly, this is hypotenuse base. This is also called. This is also called one more name, that is adjacent side. This is also called adjacent side. Just you should remember very well. Either you should call it as base, either you should call it as adjacent side. Similarly here, opposite side, it is also called perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. This is also called perpendicular. Perpendicular line, perpendicular to angle C. Okay, you should remember. Similarly, the same thing. Once again, I will draw this same diagram. Okay. A, B, C, B is 90 degree. Here, angle B is 90 degree. Similarly, we take angle is made at here. Angle is made at A. So the base and opposite sides are exchanged. Similarly, this is now it is base. This is a base. Angle A opposite to this side. This is BC is nothing but opposite side to angle A. Remember. Or this is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to line AB. This BC is perpendicular to AB. Okay, now this is a hypotenuse. There is no changes. Hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side or perpendicular we call base or adjacent side we call right angle triangle. ABC. Angle B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to theta degree, angle C is theta, angle made at C is theta degree. Okay, now first trigonometric ratio sin theta. We already well known sin theta equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but a opposite side divided by HYP hypotenuse equal to opposite side is AB in this diagram, hypotenuse is AC, so AB divided by AC. In this diagram sin theta equal to AB divided by AC. Second one, cos theta equal to base divided by base, or it is also called adjacent side. Adjacent side base divided by hypotenuse. Here our base is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Third one, tan theta equal to opposite side divided by base. Tan theta equal to opposite side divided by opposite side divided by base, or perpendicular side divided by adjacent side. AB divided by BC. Okay. Similarly, the fourth one is reciprocal of this one. For example, cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta. That is nothing but hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Sec theta is nothing but a reciprocal of cos theta. That is nothing but a hypotenuse divided by base. Similarly, tan cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. That is nothing but a base divided by opposite side. Okay, now we will see that one. Fourth one is here. Fourth one, cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to reciprocal of this one, means hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Here hypotenuse is AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. Please check this one. AC divided by AB, AB divided by AC, reciprocal. Okay. Fifth one, sec theta. Sec theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta. That is nothing but a hypotenuse divided by h pi p divided by base. Here our hypotenuse is AC divided by BC. Similarly, the last one is cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. That is nothing but a base divided by opposite side. Base divided by opposite side equal to BC divided by AC. You should remember these things. Very, very important. First one, sin theta equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. Cos theta equal to base divided by hypotenuse, BC divided by AC. Tan theta equal to opposite side divided by base. Similarly, cosec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side, means hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by base. Last one is cot theta equal to base divided by opposite side. Base divided by opposite side. These are the 6 main trigonometric ratios. You should remember these things. Okay. Now we will discuss what is the identities. Angle C. Here we call it as, now we consider this is the theta. Theta is nothing but a theta 0 degree less than or equal to theta, and it is less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay, 0 to 90 degree means acute angle. We are discussing acute angle. We are discussing about acute angle. Okay, now what are the 6 ratios? We take it as, first one is sin theta. Sin abbreviation is sin, S-I-N is sin. We denote it as S-I-N, sin theta. Okay, now similarly, first one, second one, cos theta. Sin, cosine, it is also called cosine. Cosine is denoted as cosine. Sin, cosine. Cosine is nothing but we take as only cos theta. Similarly, third one is tan theta. It is nothing but a tangent. Tangent is nothing but a tan. We are taking tan. Tan theta. Tangent can be taken as only tan theta. Similarly, fourth one is opposite of these things. I have make line here. Okay. Now sin. Here cosec. Cosecant we call yes. Cosecant. Denoted as cosec theta. Similarly, fifth one is secant. Secant is denoted as sec only. Sec theta. Next, last one is tangent, cotangent. Tangent, cotangent, cotangent. cotangent. This is taken as only cot theta. Okay, these are the main ratios you should remember. One is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta. These are the 6 ratios. These are called trigonometric ratio. Okay. Now we will move to next one, that is the main thing, reciprocal ratios. The relations of reciprocal. What is the relation? One thing you should remember. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Reciprocal means 1 divided by. For example, sin theta is reciprocal means 1 divided by reciprocal 1 divided by cosec theta. This is the relation between. This is the relation. Reciprocal relation we call it as. Apply same formulas. Cos theta, reciprocal of sec theta. Tan theta, reciprocal of cot theta. We should remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reciprocals and vice versa. You should know that these 3 vice versa. Similarly, cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. Sec theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta. Cosec theta equal to reciprocal of. Here named as angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We are talking about only 0 to 90 acute angles. Okay? 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now we will take a sine. Sin theta. Theta is nothing but a sine 0 angle. Theta is nothing but a here 0, sine 0. Name it as first 1. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Name it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. Each term by 4. 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. Each term divided by 4 after applying square root to each. Square root to each term. Square root to each term. You have to apply square root of each term. Easiest way, past, you should remember. 0 divided by 4. 4 0 0 is nothing but a 0 only. We are getting 0. Any number is 0 which can be divided by any number, we will get the 0 answer. Okay. Now, we have to apply but 1. Square root of 1 is 1. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. This is nothing but a sine 30 equal to 1 by 2. What is the square root of sine 45? Square root of 2 is as it is. Square root of 2 is. Square root of 2 is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 2 is as it is square root of 2 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Similarly sine 60 degree root 3 as it is. Apply both sides, numerator and denominator root. Root 3 root square root of 4 is 2 comes out. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 1s are. So square root of 1 is 1 only. So take this one as reverse order. Cos theta equal to, very easiest method, cos theta equal to put 1, cos 0 equal to 1, cos 30 equal to reverse these things. 1 by root 2, reverse the things. Similarly 1 by 2, similarly 0, reverse the things. Reverse of sin theta. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Means now we should measure. Sin 0 equal to 0, standard value. Sin 30 degree, half. Sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Similarly, cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, half. Cos 90, 0. Similarly, I told once again, one more formula you should remember. Tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta equal to sin divided by cos theta. So we have to divide these each term. Okay. Now tan theta. Tan theta equal to 0 divided by 1. Similarly, don't write 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is nothing but a 0 only. 1 0 is a 0. Similarly, this 2 get cancels. 2 get cancelled. 1 divided by root 3. 2. Denominator get cancels. 2 1s are 2 1s are 1 by root 3. Similarly, root 2 get cancels. 1. Similarly here 2 get cancels. Root 3. Denominator get cancels. Root 2 1s are 2 1s are root 3. Here 0 1 divided by 0 is infinite, not defined. One thing you should remember. Now you should apply reciprocal formula fast. Reciprocal formula. What is meant by sin theta? Apply reciprocal formula. You will get the same things. Okay? Just you should remember 1, 2, 3. Find reverse of these things. Reverse of these 6 trigonometric ratios. For example, cosec 0 equal to, cosec 0 is nothing but see here, cosec 0 equal to 1 divided by sin 0, 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0 is nothing but 1 divided by 0, indefinite. Cosec 0 equal to indefinite, cosec 30, 1 by 2 is nothing but 2, cosec 45, root 2, cosec 60, 2 by root 3, cos 90, 0, sorry, cos 90, cosec 90, cosec 90, 1, cosec 90 is 1. Vice versa, you should follow these things. Follow these things. Write down this method. First, angles 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We should consider. Next things, name as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Similarly, multiplied, divided by 4 each term. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. Next, apply square root. We will get the answer. Only we will calculate these things. Afterwards, put the answer.